All right, so now that you have your backdrop started, what you can do now is actually add in your content. So what I did is over here, I put in a couple of slides with content. I was doing this yesterday with a PE teacher, so that's kind of where I went with it, was stretching. You can use a pre-made Google Slides too. If you just go into your Google Slides presentation that you have from last year or one you've already created for this year, you can just go ahead and open up the add-on. So again, if it's not open, you're going to go to add-ons, you're going to go to Nearpod and open Nearpod, and that will open up over here on the right, the Nearpod function. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we have some slides with information in them, and now I want to put in some Nearpod slides. So I'm not going to go over what each of these do today. There are lots of places that you can play with these and figure out what they do. I'm just going to show you how to put it in your Google slide. So the first thing you're going to do is use the Collaborate. I'm going to use a Collaborate board. When it opens, it actually opens Nearpod. So I'm going to choose my style. I like this cork board. I'm going to enter my topic. I'm going to write stretching. And then I'm going to say, why is stretching important? Okay, if you want to add a picture, you can do that there. Now I'm going to say save. Okay, so what this does is it actually creates another slide within your Google slide. Okay, so it's right here. Okay, I'm going to add in another one. For example, an open-ended question. So remember, an open-ended question is where students would answer their question. When is the best time for you to stretch? Okay, they won't be able to see each other's answers. So just like on regular Nearpod, you have these functions over here where you can allow them to record their answer instead of write. You could add in a video or a picture or whatever there. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to click save. Okay, so now what's going to happen is you actually have your Nearpod slide set up over here on the right. From here, this is the most important part. If you want to change your slide, you need to read right here where it says how to edit. You cannot edit this slide, okay? Because of the way that the add-on works, you have to actually right here, it says how to edit. Click edit this slide in the plugin to make changes. Follow the arrow. You will click edit this slide. It will then reopen that box where you created your slide in the first place. You can edit it or change it there. Okay, now let's say that you're done, you're happy, and now you want to make it a Nearpod. This is where you're going to click save and go to Nearpod. You have to click this button. What it does when you click save and go to Nearpod is it actually it makes it a Nearpod. So you can see right here, this black box, this is my new presentation that I've just made. It says almost there. And then as soon as it loads in, it is rather slow. Sometimes it takes longer than others, but as soon as it's ready, it will be right there where you can use it just like any other Nearpod. There we go. There it is.